Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a product which I know has been pretty viral online and literally everybody is been trying it, and I think it's after the Nika sale which was there, the pink Nika sale. I think after that I saw a lot of people using this product, which is the Wonder Ceramide Mochi Toner from Tony Moly. And it actually retails for 1500. Like when you go to buy it at MRP or normal price, it's 1500 for this whole bottle. It has no fragrance, no color, it is really lightweight, and all those things are true. It really is lightweight, it really does hydrate your skin. But a couple of questions I think that we need to answer. One, is it worth 1500? Is this a really good ceramide toner? Because if you see the name, it says ceramide mochi toner, right? And I think they want you to think or feel a certain way when they say ceramide mochi toner. Ceramides are very good to make your skin plump, hydrated, soft, all of that, dewy. And then they are saying like mochi. So at least that's what happened with me when I purchased this. It was not for a video. I really wanted to use this. And when they said like mochi and all, I think you really think of like your skin feeling really that soft, plus the texture, the color, everything. It just you just feel like buying. So let's first start with the hydrating part. Is this toner hydrating? It is really hydrating. However, you can't only use the, of course it's a toner, it's not a moisturizer. They are not asking us to only use the toner, but it is hydrating. However, it does not have enough of the occlusives, which is like, your oils and butters. So even if it hydrates your skin, it's only for the time being. Eventually your skin will get dry, so you need to apply a moisturizer on top of this. Okay. It is really lightweight. Now you can either use it, take a cotton pad and then apply it on your face and use it that way, or you can directly just take some on your hand and dab it on your face and let that sort of sink in, and it does it. That is genuinely something that's really good about this toner. Then the next thing is the quantity. It's a lot, and it might seem like only 500 ml, but it actually takes a lot of time to go through this bottle. I have been using it for a month, I think, every single day, and this is how much I have used. I don't use it on a cotton pad, yeah, because I just don't think that really makes sense. I'm not using it for cleansing or toning in that sense. I'm actually using it to hydrate my skin. So yeah, I directly take it on my palm and then apply that, like I pat that on my face and apply it like that. So for hydration it's good. If you are someone who lives in a cooler climate, drier climate, you might enjoy using this with a moisturizer on top of it, like a really good thick moisturizer. Then coming to the ceramide bit, which is I think the most, whatever, the thing that we need to talk about. Now see, ceramides, you have different types of ceramides. Okay, so your skin, right, your skin layer, it is made up of different ceramides, and you need a combination of at least 3 to 5 ceramides in your formulation at a percentage of at least 0.5 to 1%. Okay, and the key here, or the most important thing here, is a to have a mixture of couple of different ceramides. Only one ceramide is not going to do much for your skin. And secondly, you need to have some sort of fatty acids and some cholesterol. Okay, uh, to make sure the ceramides can actually help your skin or penetrate in your skin and actually get the benefit from ceramides. The problem starts with the ceramides in here. It only has one type of ceramide, which is just not enough for your skin. And it has also, this has ceramide NP. If you go behind over here and see, it has only ceramide NP, and that to 5000 ppb. Okay, parts per billion. Ppb stands for parts per billion, and you will see that here as well. Okay, 5000 ppb. And when you see 5000, it seems like, oh my god, it's like a lot, right? But actually it's only 0.5%. That to one ceramide, that too without fatty acids and without cholesterol. So it is not going to honestly do much for your skin in the ceramide bit part. If you want a toner which is just going to nicely hydrate your skin, it's going to be, it's going to feel good, it's a good bottle, you want something nice in your vanity that you can actually use as well, this is a good bottle. Other than that, if you are someone who has been saving up to buy a good ceramide toner which will also hydrate your skin, this is not it. Don't go for this. If you are genuinely looking for something which has ceramides. I will in my next video share some other options which have ceramides in them, but please don't buy this for ceramides. Nothing, this will literally do nothing for your skin other than hydrate your skin. Now, how I use this at night on, so I am on retinol, not retinol, really on isotretinoin Accutane for my acne. My skin gets really dry because of that, and for those reasons I like to use this toner at night. Okay, again, if I miss this, I will still be okay, but since I have it, I like to use it. It does make your skin really soft, really glowy. That is there, and there is no artificial fragrance. However, they have some essential oils in here. They have some rosewood essential oil, citrus or lemon peel essential oil. It has linalool. Again, these are synthetic fragrances, so I don't know what they mean by artificial fragrances. Maybe it's something to do with synthetic and artificial, I don't know, some wordplay or something. But it does have a fragrance, so keep that in mind. It's not like completely fragrance free. The fragrance is really less. But here's the thing, whenever you, because I am a formulator and I have made this mistake, and because I make it, I know it, that when you have a toner, okay, or any liquid, any, not really liquid, but anything that's mostly water, like this toner is mainly water with a little bit of emulsifiers and some amount of oil and ceramides. So what happens is when you're making these formulations, now adding the tiniest bit of fragrance will actually give your product a lot of fragrance, right? So when you are making face gels, when you are making toners or anything that is water based, the amount of fragrance, oil, synthetic, essential, whatever you are using, the fragrance that you need is really, 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 really less. Okay, so while they have fragrance in this, so I don't know why they have written no artificial fragrance. See over here, the first point, it says, if you see over here behind the bottle, you will see the last two ingredients. Let me show you. Not sure if you guys can see, but the last two ingredients being this one and this one, these two are fragrances. So yeah, however, I don't think it's a big problem, if I'm being very honest. However, they did mention that, and they are doing something different, which is not nice. But the product, like I said, if you have extra money, you want to try out a product, you want something just for the sake of hydration, go for it. It's a good product, it will really hydrate your skin and you will feel like using it every day. But if you are saving money, okay, you have saved money and now you are buying this product, तो फिर ये तो please मत लेना. I will share some, like I said, I will share some other ceramide toners. They are actually hydrating, and they are much more hydrating than this, because ceramides, if you see, it is basically like a oily substance. Okay, so those will hydrate more. But yeah, I hope this video helps you, whether or not you want to invest in this toner. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you have any questions regarding this toner, and I'll be sure to answer. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. In the next video, I will share my other favorite ceramide toners. I have 2 3 which I use on a daily basis. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.